What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your Puffco Proxy. All you're going to need is some rubbing alcohol, preferably 99%, but anything over 91% will work. Let's get into it. So you're just going to pull the chamber out. Sometimes it gets a little stuck. To remove the atomizer, you're going to turn right, and this guy should pop out. Now I'm just going to peel off the silicone jacket here, and we're going to pop this right into this bowl. Hard cap. Now we're just going to fill the bowl up with the rubbing alcohol. Make sure you fully submerge the atomizer. That should do. Now we're just going to let these guys soak in here for about 30 minutes. While you're waiting for everything to soak, take a paper towel and fold it up and dip this guy into the rubbing alcohol. Then we're going to take our chamber here and give the outside a nice wipe down. You don't want to soak this piece in the rubbing alcohol. Just keep wiping it off till it's fully clean. Now we're going to wipe down the inside of the chamber. So just dip a Q-tip in some rubbing alcohol, and we're going to go right in here. Make sure you get all the connectors, all the side walls in here. Go in that hole right here. Also, make sure you get the hole right here. And just keep cleaning out the inside till that looks nice and new. Once the atomizer's been soaking for 30 minutes, go ahead and remove it and just set that on an old t-shirt. There can actually still be a pretty good amount in there. And we're just gonna lay that out to dry with everything else. Make sure you don't get water on the atomizer or the chamber. You can rinse out the glass piece in the carb cap with some water. Before we reassemble anything, you're gonna wanna let it air dry for at least an hour. Give that alcohol enough time to evaporate. All right, now that everything's been air drying, we're gonna attach the silicone jacket back onto the atomizer. All you're gonna do is line one of these metal notches up with these little openings inside the rim. So, just like that. And then it is a little bit difficult to get on, so you kind of have to stretch it around. Till it looks like that. Then you're gonna grab your chamber here, and you're gonna line this air hole up just a little bit off to the side of this air hole. So, right about there. And you're going to turn clockwise till it's nice and tight on there. And then you're just gonna slide your chamber back into the glass piece, and you are all set. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.